The Great Pyramids of Egypt and their mysterious neighbors have captivated people for thousands of years. Let's dive into some of the coolest secrets and mind-blowing math behind these ancient wonders. The pyramid's perfect pi. Imagine building something so precise that it accidentally includes a famous math constant. That's exactly what happened with the Great Pyramid of Giza. If you divide the perimeter of the pyramid space by its height, you get a number really close to 21. It's like the ancient Egyptians knew about pi before it was officially discovered. Sphinx Secrets. Right next to the pyramid sits the Great Sphinx, a huge statue with a human head and a lion's body. For years, people wondered how it was made. Recently, scientists found out that the Sphinx might have formed naturally from the landscape 5. The ancient Egyptians saw a cool rock formation and decided to carve it into the amazing statue we see today. Megalithic marvels. It's not just Egypt that has impressive ancient structures. All over the world, there are huge stone monuments called megaliths. In Spain, there's a place called the Menga Dolmen that's almost 6,000 years old. The people who built it were super smart. They used physics and geometry to make sure their giant stone chamber would last for thousands of years. Precision engineering. You might think ancient builders didn't have fancy tools, but they sure knew how to be precise. The base of the Great Pyramid is almost a perfect square, with each side measuring about 755 feet 12. And get this, it's nearly perfectly flat, off by only about an inch. How did they do it? With some clever math and by watching the stars, hidden waterways. For a long time, people wondered how the ancient Egyptians moved those massive pyramid stones. Well, scientists just found a hidden river branch that might solve the mystery. 3. They think this buried waterway was used like a highway to transport the huge blocks right to the building site. Mathematical mysteries. The pyramids aren't just big, they're packed with math secrets. Some people think the pyramids' measurements match up with the distance between Earth and the Sun, or that they line up with stars in the sky too. While not all of these ideas are proven, they show just how much the pyramids make us wonder about ancient knowledge. From accidental pi to hidden rivers and star alignments, the ancient wonders of Egypt and beyond continue to amaze us. They prove that our ancestors were way smarter than we sometimes give them credit for. Who knows what other secrets are still waiting to be discovered?